Let's stay in Limpopo. The High Court in Polokwane this morning set to hear an appeal by the state against pig farmer Zacharia Olivier. Now, this follows a ruling, by the Mankweng Magistrates Court back in September, where it granted Olivier's lawyers access to written statements and a docket. Now, Olivier's defense lawyers have argued that their client signed those documents under duress from police following his arrest, and that of his two accomplices. Watching this is SABC News reporter Katlego Nyoni. He is joining us now live for a sense of how things are likely to unfold today. And perhaps it's worth reminding our viewer, Katlego, why this was so important. I remember it being a big sticking point when these three men appeared in court.
Hi there, Ayanda. Good morning. You'd remember that it was quite a gruesome and shocking story when it emerged that the remains of two women, Maria Makato and Kuza Ndlovu, were discovered in a pigsty after they were shot and killed allegedly by the pig farmer, as well as two accused, Rudolph Devet and William Musora. Now, they allegedly fed their remains to pigs. There's been an ongoing bail application which started at the Mankweng Magistrates Court. Now, in one of those bail hearings, the defense motioned to try and secure access to written statements and a docket that the three signed after they were arrested. Now, the Mankweng Magistrates Court only granted access to the documents for accused number one, who was then represented by Jacobus Hubert. At the time, he has since recused himself from the case. So what we understand is that the state then motioned to file an appeal, arguing that a different court would come to a different conclusion. So they went against that particular ruling, which was delivered at the Mankweng Magistrates Court by the presiding officer, Asha Chaya. So today, that appeal process is starting officially at the Mankweng Magistrates Court. There is an ongoing bail application, which is now going to go back again to the Mankweng Magistrate Court after it was moved to the Polokwane Regional Court. Perhaps let me bring in the National Prosecuting Authorities, Mashudu Malabizangi, just to find out how court processes today will likely unfold. The bail application will then return again on the 6th of November at the Mankweng Magistrate Court. Thank you very much for joining us on SABC News. Talk to us about what will likely transpire in court today.
Yes, today both parties, the state and the attorneys, are going to do the argument, which has already been submitted as had copies yesterday. Then we are going to wait for the ruling for the appeal. Is then that will start with the bail application after the ruling.
And is this appeal perhaps one of the reasons that have led to delays? We've heard the defense accusing the state of coming up and deploying delaying tactics.
Remember that the attorneys have requested some of the statement which is in the docket. So the state has said that those copies, they're going to get them during the trial. That is why we are busy doing the appeal on that part.
Mashudu Malabizangi, the spokesperson of the National Prosecuting Authority in Limpopo, there saying that the process will indeed unfold. Here at the Polokwane High Court, we expect to find out what will likely transpire before the matter then returns again to the Mankweng Magistrates Court for bail application on the 6th of November. Ayanda?
Katlego Nyoni, live to us there from Polokwane for now. Thanks very much indeed.